robot delivery revolution. Are you ready for this future? From the moment we first grasped a tool, humanity has been in a constant dance with technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And now, prepare for liftoff, tech explorers, because today we're blasting into a reality where delivery drivers are, well, robots. Forget waiting, forget traffic, forget even putting on pants. Are you ready to see the future of getting anything delivered? It's not science fiction anymore. From bustling city centers to quiet suburban streets, these autonomous marvels are rolling out, changing the very fabric of how we receive our goods. We've seen glimpses in places like Leeds, but this is a global phenomenon. We've always sought to make our lives more efficient, more convenient. And now, we're on the cusp of a new era, an era where autonomous machines are stepping into the role of our personal delivery agents. Let's talk tech. These aren't just glorified remote-controlled cars. They are the culmination of years of research and development, blending advanced AI, sophisticated sensor technology, and precise engineering. Think of them as extensions of our digital selves, navigating the physical world to bring us what we need, when we need it. We're talking cutting-edge AI, advanced sensor fusion, and navigation systems that would make a GPS blush. Imagine LiDAR, cameras, ultrasonic sensors, all working in harmony to map the world in real time. They can detect a stray leaf, a rogue skateboard, even a squirrel crossing the road. The technology that powers these robots is truly remarkable. They use a symphony of sensors to perceive their surroundings, predict pedestrian movement, and adapt to unforeseen obstacles. They learn, they evolve, and they become more efficient with every delivery. Let's talk about the experience. Imagine ordering your favorite takeout, tracking its journey on your phone, and then a friendly robot arrives at your doorstep, ready to deliver. It's not just about convenience, it's about a whole new level of personalized, on-demand service. And the experience itself, it's seamless, intuitive, and frankly, a little bit magical. But it's not just about getting your pizza faster. This technology has the potential to revolutionize urban logistics. Think reduced traffic congestion, cleaner air, and even increased accessibility for those with limited mobility. But it's not just about convenience. This technology has the potential to reshape our cities, reducing traffic congestion, lowering emissions, and even increasing accessibility for those who need it most. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges. We need to address concerns about job displacement, security, and the integration of these robots into our existing infrastructure. What about weather? What if a robot gets stuck? How do we ensure they're safe from vandalism? And of course, as with any technological leap, there are questions to be asked. What are the ethical implications? How will this impact our workforce? And how do we ensure that this technology benefits everyone, not just a select few? And let's talk about the social impact. Will these robots change how we interact with our neighborhoods? Will they create a more isolated society, or will they foster new forms of community interaction? This isn't just about robots delivering packages. This is about reimagining our cities, our lifestyles, and even our relationships with technology. Ultimately, robot delivery is a reflection of our ongoing quest to improve our lives through technology. It's a testament to our ingenuity, our drive to innovate, and our constant search for new and better ways to connect with the world around us. So, as we stand on the cusp of this new era, I have to ask you, are you ready for this future? Are you excited? Are you concerned? What are your wildest robot delivery dreams and your deepest fears? How do you envision this technology shaping our future? What are the possibilities, and what are the responsibilities that come with this incredible power? Let's explore this together. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single bite of the future. Share this video with your friends, and let's start a conversation.